we are here with the next video, and in this video we will learn about veins, midrib, venation and relationship between venation and types of roots. So you all see leaves in plants in daily life. So what are these small lines running on the leaves are called? These are called veins. So the small lines running on the leaf which originate from the midrib are called the veins. Here you can see in this leaf that the small lines passing from the center line going to the sides are called the veins. So now we will learn about midrib. So midrib is the center line in the leaf which comes from the stem, and as you can see that the stem and the midrib are in a straight line. This originates from the leaf, and this is the place where the veins originate and split into the leaves, in the parts of the leaves. And these are a very important part of transporting food which the leaves make on the midrib, and the veins help them to pass the food from midrib to the stem and the other parts of the parts of the plant. So now we will learn about venation. The network of veins in a leaf are called venation. So now they will learn about two types of venation. The first type is reticulate venation, and the second type is parallel venation. So now we will learn about reticulate venation. So reticulate venation is the venation when veins form a network and go in different ways and don't meet each other, and it originates from the midrib and goes to the sides and do not meet each other. So this type of venation is called reticulate venation. Mainly reticulate venation is found on leaves which are short and round from the bottom and pointy at the end. So now this is called reticulate venation. So now we will learn about a main example of reticulate venation is a leaf of the money plant, which is in the side here. This is the money plant, and you can see that these is the same leaves are there, and many plant has a reticulate venation. Okay, so now we move to parallel venation. So in parallel venation, we have the veins which originate from midrib and go upwards and meet at the upper side of the leaf. This is a very special type of venation, parallel venation. And you can see that here the small lines are going upwards, and these lines meet at the top part of the leaf, and this venation type of venation is called parallel venation. Okay, so now there are some examples of parallel venation too, and that is a Panam leaf plant, and that is over here. It's also an example of bamboo plant. So here's a bamboo plant here, and you can see this is a bamboo plant leaf. It's a broad, but this leaf is bamboo leaf, which is different from this leaf, but still it also has the same venation, the parallel venation. You can see the venation here. The veins are moving upwards. You can see that. So you can identify parallel and reticulate venation by just looking the appearance of the leaf. So if the leaf looks like this in a round manner, then this is called reticulate. And if the leaf looks like this, then it will be in parallel venation. So this is not only true about these things, but sometimes in these types of broad leaves, we can have parallel venation, or sometimes in these broad leaves, we can have reticulate venation also. So these things can ever change in nature. So here we come to the last module that we are going to learn is the relationship between venation and types of roots. So again, now we are going to learn. So now if a plant has reticulate venation, like you can see in the money plant here, if there is a reticulate venation here, then you can bottom the seed that the roots, there is one single root at the bottom and different small roots originate from that. And that is called a type called taproots. So if you have reticulate venation in a leaf, then the plant will have taproots. So now we will move to parallel venation. If the plant has a parallel venation, then the plant would have fibrous roots. In the fibrous roots, when the stem ends at the bottom, then the roots come like this. It does not have any main root. It just originates in the end point of the stem, just like this. It will look like this in this diagram. So we have learned a lot of modules in this lesson. So let's recall what you have learned. You have learned that veins is the network of small lines moving on the leaf and that are spread out in the whole leaf into the different parts of the leaf. So now, and then midrib. And midrib is the central part of the leaf from where veins originate. These two are very helpful in transporting food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Then we move to venation. That is, the venation is the network of veins running through all the leaves. And we have learned two types of venations, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation is the venation in which the veins in the leaf are originating in the midrib and going sidewards and don't meet each other. But in parallel venation, the veins meet each other in the top part of the leaf. Such examples for reticulate venation is the money plant. And examples for parallel venation are this bamboo plant or pampan leaf plant. And then we learned about the relationship between venation and roots. So if a plant has reticulate venation, then the plant will have taproots. But if the plant has a parallel venation, then the plant will have fibrous roots. So guys, students, we have learned a lot of things in this video. So we will meet you with a new video and hope you are all safe in the home. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Bye bye friends.